Are you tired of leaving money on the table? What if I told you there's a way to get free money just by doing your everyday shopping? It's not a scam, it's called Acorns Earn, and today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it to your advantage. Acorns is known for its roundups feature, where it takes your spare change from purchases and invests it for you. But Acorns Earn is a whole different beast. It's a program that gives you bonus investments when you shop with their partner brands. Think of it as a supercharged cashback program where the rewards are invested directly into your Acorns account, helping your money grow over time without you even noticing. So, how does it work? It's simple. First, you have to be an Acorns customer. Once you're in the app, you'll see a section called Earn. This is where the magic happens. Here you'll find a long list of brands you probably already shop at, like Walmart, Nike, and many more. Each brand has a specific offer, like a certain percentage of your purchase invested back into your account. To activate an offer, you simply tap on it in the app and make your purchase through the link provided. It's that easy. You buy what you were already going to buy, and Acorns gives you free money to invest. The rewards typically show up as pending within a few days and are invested into your account within 60 to 120 days. Now, here's a pro tip. Some offers are simply spend rewards, which means you earn a bonus investment automatically when you use a debit or credit card linked to your Acorns account. No need to go through the app. To make things even easier, you can install the Acorns Earn browser extension on your computer. When you visit a partner website, the extension will pop up and let you know about an available offer. This isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building a consistent habit of earning and investing. Over time, these small bonus investments can add up to a significant amount, especially with the power of compounding. It's an effortless way to give your portfolio a little boost, simply by doing your regular shopping. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.